Mesh. Made in the USA or imported. 2 large mesh windows offer optimal ventilation. Large interior area with over ample headroom. Center height -58 to 62 inches. Full rainfly provides ultimate weather protection, along with additional storm flaps covering the windows and doors. A color-coded pole and sleeve assembly makes the 10-minute setup a breeze. Added security of being inside the bed of your truck if an uncritter strolls by. With every Backroads tent purchased, a tree will be planted through Napier's partnership with Trees for the Future. Gear loft, gear pocket and lantern holder to keep personal items organized. Pole material, fiberglass. Full tent floor keeps you clean from your truck and dry from the elements. Top reviews from the United States. Love, love, love it. I don't usually leave reviews, but this is worth it. I just got back from my first trip with it and I didn't want to come home. I absolutely love this tent. Easy to set up and take down, comfortable and surprisingly spacious. Even the dogs were cozy. The only thing that I would change, with the rainfly on the side windows are blocked so you can't see out the sides. I am 6 and have a short box truck, but with the tailgate down, it was absolutely perfect. So happy I purchased this. Can't wait to go again.